We will be replacing the headlights in this 2006 Ford F150 with all new LED lights from Ayla Lighting. The tools you'll need for this installation are a 10mm socket wrench. To access the headlight bulbs, we will first need to remove the headlight housing. It is just these 3 bolts that hold the housing in place. Once you have removed them, you can pull the housing straight out. You can easily access the headlight bulb on the back of the housing. Remove it by turning counterclockwise to unlock and pull it out. Now you can unplug the halogen bulb from the wire connector by pulling them apart. A few things to notice about your new LED bulbs. One is the plug-and-play fit for easy installation. The other is the placement of the LED chips. Our bulbs are specifically designed to fit the exact same as the factory halogen bulb, providing you with optimal light output while still safe for oncoming traffic. You can now install your new LED bulb. Simply plug in your new LED bulb into the wire connector and then insert the bulb back into the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock. Replace the housing back into your car. But before you do, be sure to test the bulb to make sure it lights. You can now replace the 3 bolts you took out to remove the housing. Now do the same for the other side. One, remove the 3 bolts that hold the housing. 2, remove the old halogen bulb by turning it counterclockwise. 3, unplug the wire connector. 4, plug in your new LED bulb. 5, install the bulb back into the housing and turn clockwise to lock it. 6, replace the housing and tighten the 3 bolts. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the old halogen bulb and the new LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. You can easily see the difference.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.
Thanks for watching.